Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into WhatsApp with QR code. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. After that, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Click on Get Started. Now you will see this QR code over here. So in order to log into WhatsApp on your desktop, you need to scan this QR code on your phone. Make sure that you are logged in with your WhatsApp account on your phone. Launch the WhatsApp on your phone. And at the top right corner, you can see this 3-dot icon. Tap on it. Now select Link Devices from here. Select Link a Device option. Now it will open up the camera to scan the QR code. Tap on OK. Now scan the QR code on your desktop. And there you go. You are now successfully logged into your WhatsApp by scanning the QR code. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.